All right, we're back in our session. This is this is the second installation of the video content. I did one change to the batch file, and this is the last part of that command line. So you have to go back to the batch file. You can use either Notepad or you can use the command line edit to change it. What you need to do is to add space dash HDA space disk.qcow2 or whatever name you name that disk image file, because this time we are going to do some work with the persistent drive. And once you made that change to the batch file, go ahead and start it again, and then it will use HDA or the first hard drive, or excuse me, it will use this file, the content of this file, as if it is a hard disk drive. Obviously, it is just a file in Windows. And this time it does start up correctly. It's not very consistent on my PC. I think it has to do with running a virtual machine inside a virtual machine is too slow, and the software sometimes times out in the process, and as a result does not start up correctly. But this time it does. So here we go. What I just did was to maximize the virtual machine screen. Things may look a little bit fuzzy because it is scaled to fit the actual screen size. When you log in the first time, log in as user, USER, and the password is the same, user, just like that. And you can create your own account later on, so that part can come later. When you run it the first time, it will ask you a few questions to start up the system, so you just have to answer those questions. The default answer will work just fine. So we'll give it a few moments to get to that portion. It's getting there. It's just taking time to get to that part. After this demonstration, what I'll do, to make the demonstration a little bit faster, is I will run the virtual machine natively on my Linux box. So that way, we don't have to wait, like what we're doing right now, to get to a particular part. Okay. Well, I'm going to suspend the recording right now, and I'll come back when it's done.